Today, I found a product on Etsy that completely blew my mind. And honestly, I couldn't take my eyes off it. This product has very low competition, and I'm telling you right now, if you start selling it today, you could make thousands of dollars from it. I really want you to watch this video until the end. Open your laptop and follow along with me step by step as we analyze and design this product together. Because this is your chance to get in early on a product that has almost no competition, while at the same time having high demand. And that combination is very rare. Now, let's take a look at this product on Etsy. If we go ahead and search for stained glass style notebook, you'll immediately notice something. These notebooks are absolutely eye-catching. The designs grab your attention instantly. And here's the crazy part. There are only around 800 results. That's a very small number in Etsy terms. Now, if we scroll down just a little bit, you'll see that these products are getting solid sales and really good reviews. That means one thing, this product has demand. And at the same time, the competition is almost non-existent. Now let's zoom in and take a closer look at one of these listings. You'll notice the cover looks amazing, very high quality. The seller is pricing this notebook at $12.70, which means they're making a really good profit. And if we look at the product images, you'll see something beautiful. The design is made of flowers with golden edges around them, giving it that stained glass effect. It literally looks like a glass cover. The aesthetic is just incredible. I was honestly impressed the moment I saw it. Now let's check another example. You'll notice the same concept: flowers, golden edges, that elegant glass style look. But here's the interesting part. This seller is pricing the notebook at $17. That's a high price, yet they're still making a lot of sales. And that tells you something very important. You can make a big profit per sale with this product. Plus, the product images are also very well done, which helps boost conversions even more. Now the big question is, how are we going to sell this product on Etsy? The answer is actually very simple, and the best part is, you won't spend a single dollar to start. In this video, I'm going to show you everything step by step, starting from designing this product using Kittl, all the way to selling it on Etsy using Printful. Here's how the process works. When a customer places an order for your notebook, Printful will automatically print it and ship it directly to the customer. You don't handle inventory, you don't deal with shipping, and you don't pay anything up front. You simply collect the profit. And that's not all. At the end of this video, I'll also show you how to create a powerful promotional video that can significantly increase your sales. You can post it on social media and even use it as an ad to scale your store. So every single second in this video matters. Stay focused, watch carefully, and even rewatch it if you need to, because this might literally change your life. And I truly mean that. In the beginning, we're going to head over to the amazing platform Printful, and you'll find the sign up link down below in the description and in the pinned comment. This is a print-on-demand platform. Basically, it's one of the most well-known platforms out there. It includes almost everything, starting from clothing, home essentials, accessories, and more. And here's the interesting part. I actually found this notebook on the platform. So if we go to the product section, you'll see all the product categories listed down here. But instead, let's go to the search bar and type in notebook. You'll notice they have many notebook options, but the one that really caught my attention is the spiral notebook, because it looks very similar to the notebook we just saw on Etsy. So all we need to do is click on this first notebook, and now you'll see all the details and pricing for the product right here. Now comes the important part. We want to place our golden floral stained glass design onto this cover. So how do we do that? First, we need to understand the exact dimensions of this notebook so we can design it properly and professionally. All we have to do is click on Start Designing, and now you'll see the front cover and the back cover where we can apply our design. But if we go to File Guidelines and click on it, you'll find something very important. It gives you the exact dimensions and specifications of the notebook in detail. So all we need to do now is copy these dimensions, because we'll use them in our design process. And like I told you earlier, We want a platform that supports AI and gives us professional design options. So for the design phase, I'll be using Kittl. And not just that, we're also going to use Kittl to create the product video later on, because now it supports AI video generation in high quality, and you'll see the final result yourself at the end of the video. Kittl is running a limited time deal you don't want to miss, only until April 25th. You'll get 2 months free on annual plans, plus bonus video generations. Pro gives you 50 extra videos, Expert gives 100, and Max gives a massive 250 extra videos, all in your first 2 months. Just use the link in the description or pinned comment and enter code ETSY at checkout to unlock the offer. Now, let's start by creating a new design using the same dimensions we just copied from Printful. One of the best things about Kittl is that it allows you to increase the design quality. So I'm going to set it to 300 dpi to make sure the final result is high resolution and looks professional. Now this is the main canvas where we'll design everything. And all I have to do is enter the design prompt I want down here. And don't worry if you don't know what to write. Kittl actually has a built-in chat tool powered by ChatGPT. So all you have to do is tell it, I want a prompt for a stained glass style notebook, and it will generate a detailed, professional prompt for you. Now after writing the prompt, you can choose the style of the image from here. It supports almost all styles, which honestly makes the whole design process so much easier. Next, we choose the AI model, and you'll notice that Kittl supports almost all the latest AI models available right now on the market. You'll even find Nano Banana 2 available here. For this example, I'm going to choose Nano Banana Pro because I personally like it. From here, you'll select the image dimensions you want. For example, I'll go with a 4:5 ratio. Then you choose how many images you want to generate. I'll create 4 images and pick the best one out of them. And finally, we click on Generate Images. Look at this amazing result. I'm honestly blown away by Kittl's designs from the very first try. Every single design looks incredible, way beyond what I expected. The quality and detail are just outstanding. Honestly, even better than the ones we saw on Etsy. Now, all we need to do is remove the images we don't want, and then place the one we selected from the 4 images into our main page, which is Artboard 1. And one of the best things about Kittl is how easy and precise it is to edit your designs. For example, if we click on the purple button on the right side of the screen, you'll see 3 different options. The first option is AI Image, and this is where things get really powerful. In this section, you can edit your current design or even generate a new one using AI, but it stays fully connected to your original page. I personally like to call this feature my own graphic designer. I just tell it, change this or edit that, and it does it instantly with high precision. Now, the second option is AI Video Board, and this is where you can turn your image into a video using AI. Make sure you stay until the end of this video because we're going to use this exact feature to create a professional promotional video step by step. And the third option is mockup, which allows you to create mockups for different products like books, t-shirts, and many more. But for now, since we want to edit our main design, we'll go with the first option, AI Image Board. Now all I have to do is ask it for a simple edit. For example, I'll tell it, add a cat to this design, and let's see the result together. As you can see, the result is incredible. It didn't change anything in the original design, and it added the cat in such a clean, professional way. You can use this feature to apply any edits you want, and even create multiple variations from a single design. And it's not just about floral designs. I want you to get creative here. For example, I want to create another design in the same stained glass style, but this time using animals, so I can sell multiple notebook variations on Etsy and increase my profits. So I'll go ahead and add a new artboard, and using the same method, I'll ask it to generate a notebook cover, but this time with animals. Now let's choose a different AI model. This time we'll try Seedream 5 Lite, and then we click Generate. And just like that, look at this beautiful result. I'm seriously impressed. This looks amazing. I'm ready to start selling these notebooks right away. I'm going to choose this third image. I really like this one. Then I'll drag it into Artboard 2 like this and resize it to cover the entire page. After that, I'll delete the other images since I don't need them. Now I have two main designs, which means I can create two notebooks and start selling them on Etsy immediately. And finally, I'll download both of these designs to my computer so I can upload and use them on Printful. And now, we have one final step left before we start selling this design. All we need to do is go back directly to Printful and upload our design right here. It's that simple. Within seconds, you'll see it appear like this, and honestly, it looks amazing. And don't forget, make sure to upload the same design to the back cover of the notebook as well, using the exact same method. Now the notebook looks absolutely stunning, even better than what we saw before. Let's also test the animal design using the same steps. I'll upload the design and apply it to both the front and back covers, and as you can see, this second design looks just as incredible. I'm really impressed with this style, and I highly recommend you start selling this today. Now, after finishing the design upload on the cover, all we need to do is click on the Save Template button. Then you'll notice that all the product details appear right here. If we click on the three dots at the top, you'll find an option called Download Mockups. And this is one of the best features. Printful automatically creates mockups for your product that you can use instantly on your store. Or you can download them and post them on social media to boost your sales. So all we need to do is click and download these mockups. And now, just like I promised you, we have one last step. We're going to create a professional promotional video for this product. So how do we do that? It's very simple. We go back to Kittl again and create a new artboard. Then, I'll upload one of the mockup images that we just downloaded from Printful so we can turn it into a video. After that, all we need to do is click on the purple button on the right side and this time select AI Video Board. Now it gets really fun. All you have to do is describe the video you want right here. Then choose the AI model you want to generate the video with. There are many advanced models available. I'll go ahead and try VEO 3.1. Next, choose the video dimensions. I'll keep it at 16:9. Then select the video duration. I'll set it to 8 seconds. And here, you can choose whether you want the video with sound or without. I personally want it with sound. And finally, we click on Generate. Now, let's take a look at the result together.
Discover beauty in every detail. Get your stunning notebook today.
This result is absolutely incredible. It doesn't need a single edit. I'm genuinely impressed. I'm telling you right now, if I use this video as an ad, it will generate a lot of sales. Just look at how the light hits the golden lines and how they shine. This is just beautiful. I'm seriously blown away by this video. And the best part about Kittl is that you can easily edit the video, add text, customize everything with ease. You don't need to be a professional video editor to create videos like this. After that, you can simply download the video to your device and start using it on social media to boost your sales. And now, if we go back to Etsy, my friend, don't limit yourself to just notebook designs. For example, if we search for stained glass style mugs, you'll see that these designs also look amazing and they're generating a lot of sales. So I highly recommend that you sell this product as well. You'll follow the exact same process, go to Printful, but instead of uploading your design to a notebook, you'll upload it to mugs. Now if we go to the My Products section on Printful, you'll find all the products we designed together right here. And you'll also see the notebook we just created. If we click on Publish, it will take you to the store connection page, whether you're using Shopify or Etsy. Printful supports almost all e-commerce platforms. You can easily connect your Etsy store and publish your product automatically. I really hope you got value from this video, and I strongly recommend that you start selling this product today. You'll find all the links we used in this video down below in the description. Now go take action, work hard, and I promise you, you'll start seeing amazing results. I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.